Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, and today I want to share a LV outdoor messenger bag. Now let me show you the whole bag like this. Yeah, it's black, and here is a logo. You can see it's very clear. This is the front package. Yeah, this is the zip. The zip. Yeah. Let me see. Here. The side. This package has two zip head. Yeah. Okay. The logo. Yeah, there's a logo. It's very clear. And the code numbers. Yeah, very good. Inner. Okay. Let me show you this side. And this side. And bottom. And the back. Yeah. And the strap. Yeah. The strap is adjustable. Yeah. Okay, the hardware and the strap, shoulder strap. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. The logo, silver hardware, and the logo is here. Okay. The bag combined cowhide leather and monogram canvas. Okay. The whole bag like this. Okay, next I will show you the accessories. You can see the card, yeah, the instruction book, and invoice, yeah, invoice in it, yeah, you can see, and the silk ribbon, dust bag, yeah, and the box, yeah, the box, and the shopping bag is here, you can see. Okay, if you are interested on the bag, you can contact me. Thank you. See you.